Hello students, in this video we will discuss about vector joining two points. That means if one point P and second point Q is given here, if the coordinate of point P is x1, y1 and z1 and Q is x2, y2 and z2, then vector this PQ line joining the PQ is represented by a vector by A, then we can write in the vector form A equal to PQ. PQ means position vector of Q minus position vector of P. That means position vector of Q minus position vector of P. Position vector of Q means x to y cap plus y to j cap plus z to k cap minus position vector of P means x1 i cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. If you simplify it, then can we write x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. This is the vector joining 2 points. Now we will discuss what is the section formula. Section formula. Section formula is very important formula in the vector chapter. What is the section formula? Section formula means if P and Q divided by any point R whose coordinates where coordinate of P is x1, y1, z1 and Q is x2, y2, z2, then P and Q divided by any point R in the ratio M1 and M2. Then where P coordinate of P is x1, y1, z1 and Q is x2, y2, z2, then we can find the position vector of R by section formula. Now here there are two types of section. First is internally and second is externally. First we write what is the section formula for finding the position vector of third point R if this point divide the P and Q in the internally, then position vector of R is equal to M1 into position vector of Q plus M2 into position vector of P whole upon M1 plus M2, and this will be equal to if position vector of P means x1, y1, z1, x1 I plus y1 j plus z1 k, and position vector of Q means x2y plus y2j plus z2k. Since position vector of P equal to x1i cap plus y1j cap plus z1k cap is equal to suppose small a, and position vector of Q equal to x2 y cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k equal to suppose B, vector B, then position vector of R is equal to m1 into B plus m2 into A whole upon में m1 plus m2, where A equal to x1I plus y1j plus z1k. This is the position vector of P point, and B equal to x2I plus y2j plus z2k. This is the position vector of Q point. Then this will be position vector of R. This will be by the internally division, and when R point divides the PQ from outside, then this is known as external division. And in the externally form, second is by externally division, we can write position vector of R equal to m1 into position vector of Q minus m2 into position vector of P whole upon m1 minus m2. That means this will be m1b minus m2a whole upon m1 minus m2. This is the position vector of R. Now in the next video, we will discuss about position vector of midpoint. Students, in this video, we will discuss about position vector of midpoint. If point R divides point P and Q at midpoint, where position vector of P is denoted by A and position vector of Q is denoted by B, then position vector of R is equal to position vector of P plus position vector of Q means B whole upon 2. This is the formula for finding the position vector of point R, which divides the P and Q at the midpoint.